So I'm interested to see how this goes. I put the block in and then I poured the ombre over the top so it just kind of all would go down. So you can see you definitely have more of a true ombre this way, at least from the outsides. So I'm really curious to cut it and see what I get and to see if the soap actually stayed up this whole length and hopefully it didn't sink down. This is a study of blues. All different tones of blue. And oh, it looks promising. I was a tad short on the blue, like the frame blue, so it's not quite equal, but it's not bad. This is not flat, obviously. I needed the soap to get thick, so that it would hold the embeds, but it got a little too thick. The ombre is actually like pretty decent all in all. Again, I wish I wasn't short. I was just like an ounce and a half short of what I needed, and I thought, oh, it'll be okay. But you can definitely see the top frame's not equal to the sides and the bottom, but that's okay. It's a boy playing with his boat in the water. I'll take it. All things considering, this soap was a bit challenging. Again, not perfect in its levelness, but it could be worse. Right? And I also wish the boy had been a tad closer to the boat so it looked like he was pushing it off, but I will be happy with what I have. I still think it's cute. So these new discs, I'll link in the description, but they are now available. So there are, again, I'm not quite sure what order these videos will go in, but there are 3 new silhouette sets. They're all of a little boy. 2 of them are a boy with a dog. Each dog's different. And then there's the boy with the boat. So yeah, let me know what you think.